Hey, it's Chris from Atech Machinery. Today we're here to talk about the manual miter saw from Atech. Let's have a look, shall we? Okay, this is our saw, 400 millimeter saw blade, 3 horsepower motor. It's wired 220 single phase, right? It's got a belt driven pulley right here on the side. It rotates from 45 degrees plus back to 45 degrees minus, and it has increments at 40, 30, 22 and a half, 15 degrees, and then of course at 0 degrees, straight 90-degree cut right there, okay? The really cool thing about this saw is that it also has a gas shock. There you go. It's a real heavy-duty saw. This thing weighs 250 pounds. Now there's some options. You can get it with the base, like we have shown here, or you can get just the benchtop version as well. This is cast iron, 250 pounds. When you get the base, you also get the pneumatic clamps that we can show here. Right, so you can clamp your aluminum extrusion or vinyl extrusion inside the saw with the clamps. The standard version comes with manual clamps. With the base, you get the pneumatic clamps like we're going to show here, right? The table, the in-feed table, the SLT as we call it, is also an option that we have shown here. It's really nice to hold your aluminum extrusions. If you have longer parts, you can hold them like we're showing here while you're making your cuts. Roll them in, use the pneumatic clamps to clamp the part, and now we're going to cut a part, shall we? The starter is right here on top, makes it really easy to start the saw right on top. 3 horsepower motor spools up. We've got it clamped here. Take our hand. Just like that. Nice and easy. Another thing to note is with the automatic version here, we also have an oil mister. So if you look on top, we've got a misting device that actually mists the saw blade at all times when it's running. And underneath in the cabinet here, we've got our blade sauce right here in the cabinet for misting the blade as you're cutting your aluminum extrusions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Atech. Thanks for watching. Okay, so as we adjust our manual miter saw, you can see there's a little arrow here in the bottom pointing at the angle. We simply slide the handle down, pull the knob, and then we rotate. Boom, 45 degrees here, right? And then we rotate it again, 30, 22 and a half, 15, and of course 0. That's how we adjust the angle on the manual miter saw. This saw has a 400 millimeter saw blade. So if you have questions about whether your particular extrusion will fit in the cutting envelope, you can look at the cutting envelope on our website, or please give us a call. We're happy to talk through any project with you. You can see this extrusion here. It's a larger extrusion. Slide it in. You can see that fits very well within the cutting envelope. Please give us a call if you have any questions about your particular extrusion.